Be gentle. Where's my kisses? Hey. Hi, sweetie. What you doing? You want to come up and see me? Hi. You talking to me? Okay. Hi, baby. Hi. What are you doing? Say, I want a treat. Do you want a treat? It's okay, Oliver. Why are you getting angry, Oliver? Are you jealous? What are you doing? What are you doing? Much. I love you so. You want to come see Mama? What are you doing? What are you doing? I love you, Oliver. What do you want? You want kisses? What are you doing? You've been silly today.